Welcome to today's discussion on technology transfer from cooperatives in Bicol. Let's take a closer look at how cooperatives are transforming the lives of rice farmers in Albay, one innovation at a time.
Farming has been the backbone of the Filipino countryside, but the generation small farmer in Bicol has struggled limited by outdated tools, expensive seeds, and unpredictable harvest until one cooperative changed everything.
Small group of farmers came together, forming a cooperative. Their goal? To share resources, invest in modern technology, and uplift one another. With pooled funds and government support, they introduced mechanical threshers, certified seeds, and training programs. And soon, the results spoke for themselves.
A cooperative is only as strong as its people. To regain trust, leaders took action. Regularly audits, open meetings, and equal opportunity for all members to participate in decision making. Slowly, confidence was restored.
In Albay, a cooperative has emerged as a driving force for agricultural development. With pooling resources, it introduced small-scale farmers to modern farming equipment like mechanical threshers and certified seeds. The result? A 25% increase in productivity.
But as with mere successful story, challenges followed. Not everyone felt the benefits equally. Some members questioned where funds were going, while the others worry about leadership. Transparency, trust, and very foundation of the cooperatives as being tested.
And now, the question is, how can we support them? By advocating for fair policies, promoting local agriculture, and encouraging more farmers to join cooperative, we can create a ripple effect of progress.
Government also has a key role to play by providing financial support, technical training, and monitoring cooperative activities. They can help cooperative achieve long-term sustainability.
This story is proof that when farmers stand together, they thrive. Technology alone isn't the solution. Cooperation, education, and fair leadership are the keys to long-term success.
Youth involvement is also crucial by inspiring younger generation to engage in farming and agribusiness. We ensure a sustainable future for our agricultural sector.
Beyond the cooperative, the government had a role to play with subsidies, low interest loans, and agricultural training. More cooperatives like this could flourish not just in Bicol, but across the country.
So how can we support initiatives like this? By spreading awareness, encouraging local government to invest in cooperative, and promote a culture and unity among farmers.
Subsidies for equipments, low interest, and educational programs, and encourage more farmers to join cooperatives and adopt modern technologies. This partnership between the government and cooperatives is vital for rural development.
However, not everything runs smoothly. Some farmers have raised concern about the management and transparency of the cooperative. Issues like unequal access to resources and unclear decision-making processes threaten the very unity that makes cooperatives successful.
So how can cooperative ensure fairness and transparency? First, establishing clear guidelines for resource distribution is essential. Second, regular audit and open communication can build trust among members. And finally, giving all members an active role in decision-making strengthens accountability.
Let's remember, agricultural cooperative are not just about tools and technology. They are about people, farmers working together for shared prosperity is the foundation of a strong agricultural sector.
Let's build stronger cooperatives and empower communities and ensure that no farmer is left behind.